Bethany. Mom. En la mano. What it is, guys, Boba the Adventures here. We came here with my friends to this restaurant. Real good, real good. Over there.
Vamos a la tragation.
Mírala. Viene bien de Army. Viene bien desarmy. Desarmiada. A las 4 abren, no manches.
El menú.
El menudo.
Este judío que mire cuál es.
Es el normalito.
El normalito.
Alright, guys. Well, here and this restaurant is in 27th Avenue and Bethany Home here in Phoenix. But they have all these condiments. They got this, I believe is chipotle sauce with mayonnaise and ketchup. Cheddar cheese. I think it's cheese over there. Oh no, this is the cheese. They got chile, jalapenos, cheese, more cheese. I don't know what is that. What is that? No. They got guacamole. They got chile, pickles, jalapenos. That is great. That is, if I'm not wrong, that is cucumbers with soy sauce. Yes, it's good. Alright guys, at this very moment I noticed that the sound wasn't that. So what happened? I was showing you guys the bar, the condiments bar with the guacamoles, the salsas and all the stuff. I moved the microphone backwards so it can be recording straight from my voice. Then when I finish, I put it back. Right there is when I don't know if it got disconnected or it broke down. I don't know what happened. I was trying it right now and it did work in a couple of shots, but not exactly the one that I want to use. Check it, and I notice this right now that I am editing. This sucks. So, well, luckily I got this one, and this is the one that I'm using right now. But anyways, till right now, I'm done with this video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and remember, keep dreaming. Dreams comes true. I promise you that. So see you in the next one. Hit like, subscribe and share. My name is Hector Bobadilla from Bobadilla Adventures. I love my channel. It's all about traveling, food, recipes and everything that is related to it. Till next time.